Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about setup quote form fields. In this video, we will see what are the quote form fields and how to create it for existing product and custom product. So, what are the quote form fields? If you go to the front store and click on request a quote, so here a customer can fill this quote form and ask you for the quotation. So we term this quote form, these fields are the quote form fields. So if you see, there are two kind of product type. One is existing products. Existing product means the product which are available for sale on your website and which are listed. Custom product is the one which is not listed on your website and it is a completely customizable product. So customer has to fill this form. So we can create these form fields, let's say website size, lamination. If you select the existing one, so for existing one, if for example, if you select any of the product, let's say t-shirt and half sleeves, so what are the form fields are coming over here? So depending on the situation, we can create the form fields basis on the specific product, basis on the existing product, and basis on the custom products. So how can we create these form fields? For that, just go to the admin side, go to store configuration. Here is manage form fields. So once you click on add button, you can create a form field. Just click on add button. So here it is for which store you are creating this form field. Just select the store title, the form field title. Just suppose we want to create a form field for turnaround time. Then the description, if you want to give some information, then form field type. So here we are giving three kind of form fields. One is for quote, one is for hire designer, and the third one is for the templates. So we have to select quotes here. Then product specific attribute. It is for all product or for a specific product. If it's a specific product, so you have to select specific product. For which specific product? So under the specific product, you can see the custom quote product, one of the as a product. That means it is for custom products. So right now we are creating the form field for a custom product. Same way you can create it for all products or as well as for a specific product by just selecting the data from here. Then display description in pop-up, activate it or not. Then sorting order, at which place you want to keep it. For example, we are keeping it at, let's say, point number 10. Then as we have created it as a turnaround time, so we can give it a text box. It may be a radio button. So depending on your requirement, you can select. Right now we are taking it as a text box. Then the validation, allow null means customer can leave it blank. If you will click on require, so it is mandatory field, customer has to fill it. So right now we are taking it as a required field and we are just saving it. So in that way we can easily create a custom quote field. So if we go at front end and if we refresh this page, repeat, here we can see the turnaround time which we have created right now. If you have any queries and concern regarding this video, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.